Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. And so here we are looking at the chart on the daily time frame after the market has closed on Monday, April 22nd, and Tesla closing at a price of $142.05, being down nearly 3.5% on the day and continuing lower in the after hours. And I have to say that I am pretty excited about Tesla coming down to this level, especially right before earnings, which they report tomorrow, April 23rd, after the market closes. And I do think Tesla has arrived at a pivotal point, and I do think that following earnings, the price will be going up. But, of course, I could be wrong, but I did want to go over my justification for why I do think price has arrived at support and will be going higher. And so one of those reasons is this blue line that I have marked here at $144.43, which was the closing price on January 26th of 2023. And following that, Tesla gapped up and it has not yet filled the gap until today. So I do think that is pretty exciting. And I have actually been waiting for more than a year, patiently waiting for Tesla to return to $145. And this morning I placed a small order for myself, and that got filled actually below $145. And so I am hoping that following earnings, Tesla does take off. And so while there is not only this key level, this gap that has been filled, there are two other things in the chart that stand out to me that suggest that Tesla could be at a bottom and there could be some bullish moves following earnings. And one of those things, perhaps less significant, is that in the stock price, we do see lower lows here. Going back to late January of this year, we do see lower lows forming in the price. Whereas with the RSI, we do see higher lows. And so that is bullish divergence, and that could be suggesting that Tesla is at or near a bottom. And the other thing that stands out to me, might stand out to you in the chart, is this white uptrending line. And so that actually goes back in time. I do have to adjust the frame to show that, but I am going to keep it on the daily time frame just so the lines don't get adjusted. And so one of those pivot points is based on the low of January 6th of 2023, that being at a price of $101.81. In the other pivot point, I have to scroll all the way back here, take a step back, and let's see. All right, the other pivot low. So we've got both of them on the screen here, just above Ed's head. You can see this blue dot here. That was the low hit on March 18th of 2020 at a price of $23.37. And so when I do connect those two pivot lows, that's how I get that white uptrend. And then if we move forward in time and I actually zoom in on the chart, we can see that the low of today for Tesla was $138.80, being just above that white uptrend. So I'm wondering if we might see another little bit of a dip tomorrow before the market closes. And then following the close, we get some great news from Tesla, some hype, and the stock does rally. I could see it revisiting the lows over here around a price of $163, maybe retesting these highs around $180, or getting back to the highs up here right around $205. And I should note that the highs over here would also correspond with the lows over here, so 180 might be some resistance, but I could definitely see price going up to around $200. And so that is what I am hoping for. I am really excited about Tesla earnings, and I'm really excited to see where the stock has pulled back to. I think this is a great bargain, at least for the next couple months, because who knows what's going on with the economy. But as far as Tesla goes, I have been waiting for this level for more than a year, and I'm just stoked about it. I hope you guys are too. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy trading earnings. Take care.